Hey, what up, well shit crew? So we are back at it again with the winch rope saga. So the old rope, the one that I just put on a few weeks ago, it broke on me. Very first pull. So needless to say, I cannot recommend that product. So I had, hold on, dropped some hardware. So I'd returned it back to Amazon for refund. So dropped it off the UPS store, just stuck it back in the original box, didn't have to do anything else with it. And as soon as I got the confirmation, or UPS had confirmed that they had the package, scanned it, Amazon issued my refund, had it in my account the next day. Awesome. So I am going to try one more Amazon rope before I spend the money and purchase something from Warren or from somebody else. So what I ended up going with is the, let's see if I can get the box, Stegadon winch rope. It was roughly 80 bucks. I just got it in today. So this is it here. It comes in a few different colors. But very first thing I noticed right off the bat is that the actual rope has a totally different feel to it. It's slicker and it feels a lot sturdier. It also has a more realistic load capacity to it. Where that other rope was advertised at 26,500 pounds. This one here, I believe, let's see if it's on the package anywhere. I doubt that it is, because that would make too much sense. 3/8 inch, 100 foot synthetic grain. I believe this was actually rated somewhere around the neighborhood of 10,000 pounds. So, like 10.5, something like that. So definitely a more realistic load rating. Yes, it's still made in China, but we're going to give it another shot. You know, I could have just done a exchange and stuck with the other kit, but that was already one bad experience with that one. So I want to try something different, especially considering this is something that I rely on. It has to work. It has to work every time, or at least more than once. So we're going to try this one. And if this doesn't work, I don't know if I'm going to look for a different synthetic rope or if I am going to go back to cable. I'm kind of leaning I might just end up going back to cable. I almost did that this go around, but I did throw away the old roller fair lead, so I would have had to buy a new roller fair lead, and holy Jesus, those things are not cheap. Speaking of fair leads, since that fair lead came with the kit, I did have to purchase a new fair lead because the old one went back with the kit. So got this one, $16, Amazon, aluminum billet. It's not pretty black like the other one was, but that's okay. And it still costs the same amount of money as what the other kit did. The only thing that I don't have with this one, is I don't have the rope stopper. I don't need the rope stopper. If I do want a rope stopper, it's not a big deal. I can pick one up a little bit later. But the new rope did come with a new hook, so all in all, same price. Rope feels better quality. We'll find out. So let me get this installed and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to bore you through. The install is going to be the same as what it was the last time. So let me get this put on. I'll show you what it looks like, and hopefully it doesn't snap on me on the first break this time around. Catch y'all later. Thank you all for watching, and remember, if you like what I'm doing here, please hit that subscribe button, likes, and man, if you got any comments, if there's a better way I could be doing something, hit that comment section up. I am not beyond learning new things. So y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.